Good evening to one and all gather here, respected dignitaries, beloved management, parents, teachers, and my dear students. I take pride to read this annual report of Rising Star School of Excellence for this academic year. Our school got inaugurated on 10th June 2024 by Mr. and Mrs. Dandavani Durga Devi. Our preschool curriculum, purpose of education, is to prepare the young to educate themselves throughout their lives. Preschool education is not just about art, music, dance, fun and fantasy. It is to provide comprehensive learning objects and having a structured way to achieve these objectives. The four major components to achieve these objectives are the philosophy, the curriculum and methodology, the learning tools to the child, the teacher who learning our curriculum balances these four components. The core philosophy is inspired by the Montessori method. Each material has been designed following this philosophy. The teachers have been trained effectively on the philosophy, curriculum and material. For primary, our curriculum CBSE following the National Education Policy. On 24th of June 2024, we conducted the International Yoga Program. Our Rising Star School of Excellence students actively participated in the yoga events. Rising Star School of Excellence celebrated Independence Day on 15th August 2024 to remember the pride, the commitment and the contribution the brave individuals who sacrificed their lives for the cause of India. The celebration started with flag hoisted by Mrs. P.S. Sheila Sudhakaran, founder of Sheila Educational and Charitable Trust, followed by cultural events. Rising Star School of Excellence celebrated Sri Krishna Janmashtami on 26th August 2024. That day was made colorful by our little Krishnas and Radhas. On that auspicious day, we conducted Uriyadi dance. On 15th of September 2024, we celebrated Onam festival. We put the floral column with the help of our little stars of Rising Stars. We provide Kerala traditional snacks to our kids. Teachers' Day. It is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. Rising Star Schools of Excellence celebrated Teachers' Day on 5th September 2024 with grand gusto and gaiety. The management of our school extended heartfelt thanks to all the teachers for the diligence, sincerity and hard work. Thereafter, teachers enjoyed fun-filled activities that marked the celebration. We celebrated Vijayadashmi in the month of October. We conducted special pujas in a grand manner. Following Christmas was celebrated for joy, for giving and sharing, for laughter, for coming together with friendliness. Our campus was decorated with beautiful bells and colorful lightnings. A Christmas tree was set up and we had snowman and Santa Claus to release their kids. Our students exhibited their talents through dance, singing and skit. We celebrated Pongal festival on 13th January 2025. Our students actively participate in all the events which were conducted to demonstrate the pride and harmony of Tamil traditional. We conducted puppet show which elucidated the kids the meaning and purpose of Pongal function. We prepared Pongal in our school campus and same was distributed for kids. We celebrated our 76th Republic Day with immense patriotic fervor. Flag hoisted done by our founder Bhagya ma'am. Number of activities were organized to infuse the spirit of unity, brotherhood and patriotism among the students. Sports. We conducted Sports Day on 22nd January 2025 at our campus. We conducted number of sports to develop the gross motor skills of children. The sports were aimed at improving the balance, coordination, muscle strength, endurance and posture of the children. We conducted sports events like running race, brick wall, balls in the basket, lemon and spoon. Field trip. The primary purpose of field trip is to enhance the learning by providing real-world hand-on experiences that reinforce classroom concepts, foster curiosity and promote engagement, critical thinking and social emotional development. The students of Rising Stars School of Excellence enjoyed lot during their field trip to ICF Railway Museum. Silambam. On 9th February 2025, the Rising Star Martial Arts and Sports Academy, which is confined through the Rising Star School of Excellence, took part in the Silambam event, which lasted for 30 minutes. This event was conducted in many locations across the globe. We proudly mention that our student Diviksha Sri of Pre-KG, Kayal of Pre-KG, Nikhil Sai of Playgroup participated in this event. Thank you.